She's definitely got no power left. This kind of sucks. See, but why does it go away when I let off the gas though? Oh no, it shut off. Is that it? Is she dead? Oh, no power steering. Put it in neutral and try again. Come on, girl. Oh my God. I don't think we're gonna make it. Guys, well, did exactly what I said I was gonna do. I replaced the rod bearings in this car yesterday. I let it run out of oil a while back. Stupid mistake. I don't know how that happened, but it did. So I cleaned the journal up on the crank. It turned out pretty decent. I put a set of rod bearings in it, and I promised myself if I spun another rod bearing, I'd make a video out of it on how long will this car last with a bad bearing and rod knock. So that's what I'm doing right now, is I'm literally driving this thing to work the day after I put the bearing in it, and it's making some funny noises already. So I'm gonna vlog it. We're gonna see how long this thing will last like this. Hopefully at least gets me to work, because I'm pretty close. So alright, ready? I don't get it. Fresh oil, fresh filter. I don't know. That doesn't sound like rod knock though. I don't understand. I don't think it's like a bent push rod or anything. It seems to be running fine other than that crazy noise coming from it. I don't know, I'm looking behind me, I don't see a trail of oil, I don't see a trail of smoke, I don't see nothing. So well, I guess we're gonna see how long old Bessie gonna last, huh? Really sucks though, man. This car's only got 119,000 miles on it. It's a 1996 Toyota Corolla. They typically run a very, very long time. These motors can go super, super high mileage with zero issues. And up until, I don't even know how this thing ran out of oil, because it doesn't leak, it doesn't smoke. So I don't understand it. I mean, if you guys know of something, please shoot me a comment below. But I just thought it'd be cool to make a video out of it, because I've never really seen the integrity of a motor with rod knock. So I'm kind of interested to see like how long this could possibly last with rod knock. Man, that is horrible. Come on, Betsy, feel the burn. We're almost there. I don't know, but it comes and goes. If that was rod knock, I don't really think that that would go away at all. See how it turns into like a screeching sound? I'm not sure. I don't quite understand that. And I know the inner workings of an engine quite well. I really want to pop the hood on it and see what's going on, but I don't want to be late for work. So I think we're just gonna run this thing into the ground on the way to work. And maybe it is something stupid. I don't know. I don't know. It doesn't sound stupid though. I'm afraid to shut it off though, so. And here comes a really big hill. Oh man, that's gonna hurt. All right, Betsy, let's do this. can't wait. Let's go. Come on, you can do this. We're almost there. Oh, that is so bad. I wish I knew what that was. I think I'm only got a minute and a half left on my video recorder. Oh, now it's rod knock. Well, you can't say I didn't try. Like I said, the crank journal was worn down only a little bit. Not enough to put play in the bearing or anything, but like it did not pass the fingernail test for me. So she's definitely got no power left. I mean, I've got it to the ground right now and she's only doing 40. This kind of sucks. See, but why does it go away when I let off the gas though? Oh no, it shut off. Aw, is that it? Is she dead? Oh, no power steering. Put it in neutral and try again. Come on. Come on, girl. Oh my God. I don't think we're gonna make it. I'm gonna keep my foot on the gas. Oh man, I really hope this thing makes it. I don't think it's gonna make it. Wow, I'm disappointed. I really am. All right, so, oh man, that is so bad. I'm almost at work. I'm only about not even a half mile from work, and I'm trying to make her make it. I've got it pinned right now. She don't want to go. Oh my God, that is so loud. God, this is not stupid fast. If I still make it to work on time, the car might be worth replacing the motor in. Oh, I can't let off the gas pedal. Wow, that sounds so bad. Ooh. Oh, we're done. Damn it. That's all I need to do is get over here to the hill. Alright, well, I guess that ends my vlog, guys. We made it 30 miles on a spun bearing. That ain't too shabby, honestly.